Hey all, this is a quick video to just show how to install the analysis tool pack in Excel. I got a few questions on those, so here we go. You will go to you open your Excel file and you will go to File, you click on that, and you will scroll down until you go to Options. At the bottom, you click on Options, and on the left side, you will see add-ins. You will click on that, and these are all the possible built-in add-ins into Excel. They already exist, you just need to bring them out. This is the one you're looking for, the analysis tool pack, and also you will need the solver add-in, but you will do this one at a time. If you do Visual Basic, you can also install these, but for the analysis tool pack, you will just highlight this and you will say go, and then it will ask you, in mine it's selected, but in yours, if you don't have it, it will be deselected. You will select the analysis tool pack, you will select the solver add-in, you will select Visual Basic if you use it, and then you will hit OK, and that's it. You will not see anything. But if you go under the data tab and you go to the right side, you will see data analysis and solver already installed. When you click on data analysis, these are all possible analysis tools that exist and built in Excel, and you can pick whichever one you want to use, from ANOVA to descriptive statistics, correlation, histograms, regression analysis, hypothesis testing. As you progress through the topics, you can use any of these if you have the data. So that's it. It's very simple. Thank you.